my journey's going pretty well. I'm in Texas again. I got to change the fuel filter and bleed the injectors, and so I want to video that. You know, this bus hasn't been running a while, so I'm not even remotely surprised there might be some crud in the tank. And I just think it's a great opportunity to show you how to change the filter on a 3208 and bleed the injector so it'll run. I've gotten really good at it because there's also some throttle seals that need to be replaced, and occasionally it'll pull air in. But normally what I'm noticing is it's most likely to pull air in when the filter is restricted, and the performance sucks when the filter is restricted. So let's do it to it. Need my filter wrench again. That filter had been on there for a minute. First thing you want to do is think about containment, because this is messy. Some people have relocated the fuel filter out of the engine bay. I plan to do that because, again, this is messy. Yeah, okay, I will not need, and you're going to lose diesel. This just comes with the territory. All right, so let me go run this back to the trash can and get rid of it. Actually, I'm going to run it to the trash can outside. And let's hermetically sealed shit. So I'm using Wix 33528. I bought this on Amazon. I'll post the link in the video in case you want to buy them. That was the best price I found. Diesel's a little bit oily, so there we go. Now, it's a good idea to write the date on there, but in this case, I don't think it matters because I suspect I'll be changing it again. All right, that's enough. All right, now for the fun part. Okay, so I'm going to use this injector back here, and I'm just going to go ahead and crack it. I like to pick on that injector, and then I'm going to unscrew this pump. That's about 100 pumps, 100 strokes to fill that filter. That's 100. We're not there yet. We'll get there. I gotta rest. That's 130. There we go. So about 130 strokes to fill this, and now I need to pump this until I see bubbles. So let me move the camera so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. right, so you're watching for bubbles here. Do it again until we get more bubbles. To lock the injector. Totally done. Good, and then I start the engine and do all 8 of them. Because some of them are a real pain in the ass to get to. If you have a choice, you should do this somewhere where you don't give a shit if you get diesel on the ground, because you are going to leak diesel. That just comes with the territory. Sometimes you have to flip the wrench around to get the second bite on it. You want these nice and snug. Now, every one of these engines is a little bit different. I have this piece of shit air filter that's up here in the middle. I have a little garden pad. And then my hose is long enough that I can push it out of my way. If yours isn't, I feel for you. Because some of these injectors are a real pain in the ass, the middle ones in particular. Enough to get this lawnmower running. And it's a little bit cool today, which is nice because the engine's putting off a lot of nice heat, so let's run it. And it's being cranky, so let's give it some crack. We'll give it some crack again, see if we can get it fire. It should run on 4 cylinders.